What's the funniest way you've caught someone lying? I had a friend who was the pickiest eater on the planet. Every time we went out to eat, he ordered chicken nuggets and fries no matter where we were. Steakhouse? Nugget. Fancy Italian place? Nuggets. Sushi restaurant? Somehow still the same order of chicken nuggets. And every time he'd complain that everything else was terrible because these places don't know how to cook. It drove me insane. I knew the food was good. He just refused to try anything else. One day he took it even further. He claimed that if he were the one cooking, he'd make way better food than these overrated restaurants. That's when I saw my chance. All right, I told him. If you can cook a restaurant quality meal, I'll give you $100. He took the challenge immediately. Said he was going to make a steak dinner because, in his words, how hard can it be? So the day comes and he's in the kitchen acting like Gordon Ramsay. Slamming cabinets, seasoning the steak to perfection, talking a lot of trash about how real chefs don't follow recipes. Finally, he plates the meal. I won't lie. The steak actually looked pretty good on the outside. Golden brown, perfectly seared. I was almost impressed. Then we cut into it, and it was completely raw. Not rare, not medium rare. It was practically still mooing. I just stared at him. He stared back. I thought it would finish cooking while it rested, he said. He tried covering up his poor skills by saying, some people like it like this. But we both knew he was completely wrong. He had to pay me my money, and I'll never let him in a kitchen again.